today I'm making a really fun dip. It's my barbecue chicken and pepperoni dip.
Oh.
Very easy to make. First things first, you start off with a homemade barbecue sauce. So in this little sauce pot right here, I'm gonna put in some onion, a little bit of garlic, get in there for some flavor. A little heat from the red chili flakes. Always say better than just pizza, you know? You can use them all around the kitchen.
Absolutely.
Right.
Apple cider vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce right there.
The original umami.
Yeah, the original umami.
Yeah, original.
I mean,
Way before
so
that
many
where it was even,
ingredients
like, a
in there
big
that
deal.
really give it
Even
that
before
unctuous
fish
flavor.
sauce. Yep.
And then to that, a little bit of cola.
So you're not browning anything because it's all you're adding all that liquid, yeah.
Caramelization from the cola, and you can use root beer as well. It's really delicious.
Yeah.
A little bit of
like
ketchup.
I like to keep it a little more healthy and use Diet Cola in my...
So you cook this down for about 25 minutes, and it just becomes nice and thick, like a barbecue sauce consistency. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper to flavor it. Cream cheese, and then to that, you wanna help me mix?
Yes, ma'am.
Got a whole chicken diced for rotisserie, the dark and the white meat. To that, I'm gonna add that barbecue sauce that we made to help you kind of mix it. That goes in, just a cup of it. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor with Italian seasoning.
These tailgaters don't know what to have coming.
Hello.
I'm not making it in the stadium. I'll be taking a nap.
Forget
Right?
the game.
Some scallions there, white and green parts. And then before I started, I just sauteed 2 ounces of pepperoni that I
gotta have
chopped up
pepperoni.
and a little bit of
I salute
olive
you.
oil. You like that?
I love it.
So you salute me?
I think pepperoni is like, you
It's a
know...
major food group.
Yeah, it
It is a major food group, you know what I mean?
Underrated.
Underrated food
So that
group, for
goes
sure.
in. To that, the cheddar Monterey Jack blend.
Yeah, you and Jeff Morrow don't mess around with your dips.
Oh,
do
we
you?
ain't playing, we ain't playing. I spent my time in the Midwest, I know what's up. And then some mozzarella goes in right there.
There you go.
Wow.
Now, all that goes into a little casserole dish. You got that?
Yep.
It's a lot.
You know, Americans
There's a lot
spent-
going on, but I got
Last year, Americans spent $35 billion on tailgating food.
What?
Looks
There you go. 2025, just announced it for about 20, 25 minutes, and it's good to go. Give it a taste.
I love that you put out apples with that.
Yeah, I love chicken and apples together, and I mean, it is so cheesy goodness with a lot of fattening ingredients, so why not throw some fruit and vegetables out? And also,
Absolutely.
pretzel sticks are great for this as well. You want to give it a taste?
Should I try it with an apple?
Yeah, apples are best.
Granny
I love
Smith are my
apples.
favorite, yeah.
Oh, there it
Yeah,
goes.
look out. Oh. Yeah!